Today is January 27th, 2026, and today I am feeding the birds, seagulls. There are so many of them around, hungry ones around the beach, and I have leftover food. I didn't want to throw it from previous dinners that I can't finish. So, oh my God, one bird took the whole bag and flew away with it. Do you see that? Oh my goodness. I had like two pinada. I had two pinadas in it, and I had a steak and pieces of steaks, and I had some fish in it, fish fillet from last night's dinner. And the night before I had some leftover steaks. I kept it and some fish. But the birds, what a smart one. Here they are. They're still waiting for something. They think I have something else. Oh, look at them. How many of them around the beach. Look. All the seagulls. Hungry seagulls. I just didn't want to throw it, the food in the garbage. ما كنتش عايزة أرمي الأكل في الزبالة، فجبته علشان أأكل seagulls, big birds. Oh, they look so beautiful. Wow, many of them.